When using a multimeter to diagnose automotive circuit fault, why can I pinpoint the problem directly? A standard multimeter can only tell you whether the voltage is correct or if the circuit is continuous. However, many faults on circuit boards are actually related to abnormal heat generation, such as poor contact, short circuits, or overloads. At this point, thermal imaging mode can quickly help you locate the hotspots. The DM208 automatically tracks the highest and lowest temperatures and directly marks the exact location of the hotspots. It also supports a temperature measurement range of -20 to 550 degrees Celsius and offers 4 color palette display modes. No guesswork, no step-by-step troubleshooting. Wherever the heat is, that is where the problem lies. One device combines the functions of 2 meters, making it more convenient and time-saving. It quickly pinpoints abnormal hotspots in areas such as automotive circuit boards and fuse boxes, enabling efficient troubleshooting. AUTOOL DM208, making testing faster and more professional.